What is the value that the system installation of Ceraclad provides to clients? In addition to the previously mentioned value of Ceraclad delivered through maintenance, eliminating caulking joiner, and the integrated rain screen moisture management, we provide a valuable, standardized installation method that produces quality installation with basic labor skill.
Let's introduce the basic concept, benefits to contractors, and procedure of installation.
The Ceraclad rain screen exterior siding system creates a ventilation layer to keep moisture out with the built-in rain screen system, and an air cavity inside the wall to release moisture. Based on this basic concept, the shape of the shiplap joints, panel clips, and various parts is combined. Prepare the wall with water resistance barrier. Install flashing. Install the starter bar. Install the T-joiner. Cut the siding panel.
The nominal dimensions are width 18 inches by 10 feet.
Make sure to cut from the back side to prevent chipping.
Wipe off the dust on the surface with a dry cloth or compressed air and apply the waterproof sealer.
Install the siding panel using the clip. Attach the second panel to the first panel's factory-installed gasket sealant. Place the spacer on the top edge of the siding, if there is a cut edge on the panel around windows and eaves. Install L-joiner at the joint between the vertical frame of the opening and the siding panels to prevent the panels from shifting horizontally, and install the panels. Install an L-joiner at the inside corner. Install at outside corner. Apply the putty to the countersink screw holes. Use a small putty knife or something to level the putty, according to the pattern of the siding panel. Apply touch-up paint. For more information, please feel free to contact us at 1-425-883-9290 or at ceraclad.com.